Insurance 360 is an AI-driven insurance patterns analyzer providing analytics and recommendation for a safer and trusted city. Our team name is Insurance Guardians and we are very passionate on data analytics. We have taken the issue in Insurance Authority. Bringing trust to citizens, industries and business is core in investing a future city. Insurance plays a major role in building this trust. We have explored Insurance Authority data for analysis and recommending new and upcoming fields where AI-driven patterns that can be infused to increase revenue and build a safer and trusted city. We have built an open source AI plus in-memory powered solution that can be deployed on any cloud with zero cost. The fully functional code is already deployed on Azure portal at https://insurance360.azurewebsites.net. Insurance 360 has an advanced 5-stage AI-powered pipeline with React.js as front-end. I will show the flow in demo. Let me show the demo. We have downloaded all the insurance data from Abu Dhabi Digital Authority portal. As the base initial steps, we have cleansed, enriched, deduplicated, and made a relational model out of it. This helped us in understanding how the data is connected. For example, all these entities are connected to line of business. Here we are showing the basic analytics on insurance data like outstanding claims of non-life insurance by line of business. We also made an in-memory data analytics engine where the end user can query. We can select any entity. Let me select gross claims by line of business and we select line of business. This automatically draws a chart for us to analyze. Here it shows health and transportation are top 2 categories. Similarly, we can select gross earned premiums by company type and you are selecting the category as company type and it rendered as a pie chart. The specialty of our application is AI powered recommendations and predictions. The first chart shows potential income improvement cities based on revenue patterns identified. The second chart is showing variance in the amount by line of business. This helps in finding areas of growth to focus. The third chart shows the prediction of employees required in the insurance industry by 2024.